Today I'm going to speak on a very sweet topic, that is jaggery or good, we call it in Hindi. Whenever we talk about sweeteners, crystal like white sugar, it comes to our mind. It's also called refined sugar or we call it table sugar. Earlier, our parents and grandparents used to use good while making sweets, desserts, even in making tea. Good is an unrefined sugar. Although both refined sugar and good, they are made from sugarcane juice, but sugars are just, or I would say the refined sugars, they are just the empty calories. All its nutrients are lost while undergoing the rigorous industrial processes. Rather, eating refined sugar or white sugar, it harms our body. It depletes our body of vital nutrients like calcium, vitamin C, vitamin D, magnesium, and chromium, which are important nutrients for our body. Also, regular intake of white sugar causes many health hazards like weight gain. It causes inflammation of joints, causing joint pains. Research shows that regular intake of white sugar can cause rheumatoid arthritis. It results in premature aging, tooth cavity. Sugar, when mixed with the saliva, it makes the environment of our mouth acidic, and that is the environment which is conducive for the bacteria to grow, and that causes cavities in the teeth. It weakens our immune system. It causes heart problems as refined sugar raises our triglyceride levels and decreases the HDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol is the good cholesterol. It keeps our heart healthy. So when the triglycerides are increased, HDL is low, so that results in heart problems. Then, since white sugar is a simple carbohydrate, it readily gets dissolved in the blood and it spikes the blood sugar levels. It also disturbs menstrual cycle. Studies show that it shuts down the sex hormone binding globulin protein, the protein which is responsible for availability of sex hormones like testosterone and estrogens. And also it causes depletion of B group vitamins, which are also necessary for ovulation and fertility. Therefore it also affects the fertility. And last but not the least, it also causes cancers of small intestine and food pipe. On the other hand, gur or jaggery, it is rich in nutrients like protein, fiber, choline, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, iron, calcium, magnesium, selenium, and manganese. And it has many health benefits. Number one, it's a natural sweetener. It helps in digestion. So it is recommended to eat a very small piece of this good after the meals because it helps in digestion of the food. It prevents constipation as it activates the digestive enzymes. Therefore, uh, the food is digested and there is no constipation. It boosts up metabolism. It is loaded with antioxidants and minerals, and thus it prevents free radicals which are responsible for early aging. It combats premenstrual symptoms like mood swings, abdominal pain, and menstrual cramps. It is a very, very good blood purifier. Therefore, it also keeps our skin healthy and glowing. It is a very good source of iron and folic acid, and therefore it prevents anemia, and it also flushes out toxins from our body, therefore very, very helpful in detoxification. And mind it, detoxification is the first step in disease reversal. Then it is also the best natural cleaning agent. So it cleans our respiratory tract, our lungs, stomach, our intestines, and our food pipe. Therefore, it is highly recommended for the people who work in heavily polluted areas like coal mines and factories. Then it cools the stomach. Drinking good sharbat sharbat made out of jaggery or gur during the summers. It cools our stomach and thus it helps in maintaining the body temperature. It controls our blood pressure, it prevents arthritis, and also it alleviates joint pains when taken with a coin of ginger. It is a source of instant energy and is a great diuretic, which means it helps in curing many urinary problems. But it has to be consumed in moderation. The amount should not exceed 25 gram per day for a normal adult and it should not exceed 5 gram per day for a diabetic. So stay away from white sugar and switch on to this natural sugar that is good. Thank you.